National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Franklin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Thompson Station, Antioch, Leapers Fork, Percy Priest Lake, Natchez Trace at Highway 96 and Troon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 57 and 77. Interstate 24 between mile markers 55 and 63. Interstate 840 between mile markers 19 and 43. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.